Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you if you want to file ISBN for bulk books, how you can do that very easily. And this is available primarily for India, so if you are based in India and if you are looking to file your ISBN, so this is something which might be helpful for you. So first of all, I welcome you to KitabLane, and at KitabLane what we do is we provide complete solution with your book printing, and basically we help you with book printing, publishing, selling your book, and even if you want to restore your book, we can help you with that. So visit our website to explore our services, and we have services for every section of the market, that is Indian publisher, international publisher, author, teachers, education institutes, and NGOs as well. So visit our website, and if you want any kind of help, please get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out because we like to interact with our customers and with our audience, so that will be really helpful. So anyway, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do here is, first you need to go and log in at Raja Rammohun Roy National Agency for ISBN. So you have to log in there. So if you have an account, you can use that. If you don't have an account, so you have to make an account. So there are multiple videos online which you can watch and which you can see to learn how you can create an account. And if you are publishing your own book, then select self-published book. If you are an individual publisher, that if you are a single person and you want to publish multiple books from different authors, then you have to select that. And because I am a commercial publisher, so my account is reflecting that I am a commercial publisher. So after I've logged in, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to my application, and I'm going to click here because I have around 70 ISBN available, which has been allotted to me. So I'm going to right now add books. So individually I have shown a video of how you can individually add an ISBN. So now I am going to show you how you can do it bulk. So here you have to click on upload books, and you need to download sample Excel format. So once you download this, I do not have Google Sheets on my Microsoft Sheets on my computer. So what I do is I use Google Sheets. So I downloaded this file. When I click on it, it will show up, and I downloaded the file, then I uploaded that on my Google Drive, then I opened it up. So this is the format that is available: title, edition, author, publication date. So these are the books that I'm going to add. This is the name of the book, the title of the book, the edition of the book, the author name, and the publication date. Now after you fill it up, so you can add as many books that you want. Right now I have 70, so I can add up to 70, and after that I have to apply for new ISBN. I have to get allotment for that. So after that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to download Microsoft Excel. I'm going to download the file. So I'm going to download the file here. So I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to go to the Raja Rammohun Roy, and then I'm going to select the file. After I select the file, I'm going to click on upload. So here, so there is some error. So we are going to fix the error here. So what is the error? Author. So here I have changed it. So it should be author/editor. So if you modify anything in the column itself, so then you are going to have problem. Again, I have to go and download this. Then I'm going to click on upload. So here you can see it is showing up. So here I have to manually change it. So that is a problem that is there with this system. So I have to manually change it. There is no other option of selecting it beforehand, because almost every format is the same for me. So language is English. I have to select it for every single book. So that is a very big problem, and I hope they are able to solve it properly. But again, more or less, because government is giving us for free, so I do not mind. And if you want ISBN number, if you want to publish a book, we have a plan where we are publishing a book free of cost. So if you want to publish a book free of cost, so contact us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So I'm just typing paper, and it is going to show up paper. And I can also use tab to skip, but again, I'm going to do it real time, so I'll try to do it as quick as possible. And yeah, that's about it. We are trying to basically provide you book printing, publishing services, complete services, to be honest. So you can sell your book online, you can publish your book online without any headache. And most of the feedback that I get from authors that are looking to publish the book is they're reaching out to multiple publishing companies, and most of them are there just to make money. That is, everyone is here to make money, but they are primarily like they are looking to take money off your hands, and that's it. So here I have changed everything, and And the advantage here is we have made it very simple and easy for you. Publishing is free. We do not have any charges for publishing, but we charge for ISBN and Amazon listing. So you can go to our website and you can get all the details on our website. So you can also calculate book print cost as well. We have print on demand. So everything is available. And if you click on services and pricing, you will be able to figure out. You will be able to find that okay, what kind of services that we provide, what are the charges and everything. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click here, import and save. 11 books have been imported here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to check whether I need to change anything or not. I don't think I need to change anything. Then I'm going to select submit to RRRNA, confirm. That's it. So my books have been filed, so I do not need to individually go and file them. That was the biggest thing that is there. So that is the biggest advantage. So submit to RRRNA, yeah, okay, fine, done. So at once I am able to file so many ISBN numbers. So that is the advantage. So that is what I was saying. So if you need any kind of help, all the services and pricing is given on our website. It is completely open. We believe in 100% transparency. So if you want to get your book published, printed and sold or sell online, so we can help you with listing on Amazon, Flipkart and print your book, getting you ISBN and everything. Please visit our website for more details. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching again. And if you have any question or queries, please let me know in the comment section below. Take care, bye bye, and stay safe and keep writing, keep publishing. Bye.